Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to our scenic bike ride along the beautiful Waterfront Trail in Toronto, Ontario. Our journey begins at the charming Adamson Estate, a historic site nestled in the heart of the city. This stunning estate, once home to the Adamson family, offers a glimpse into the past with its elegant architecture and beautifully landscaped gardens. As we pedal along the trail, we'll be treated to breathtaking views of Lake Ontario. The Waterfront Trail stretches over 450 kilometers, offering a perfect path for cyclists, walkers, and nature lovers alike. This trail is not only a recreational gem, but also a vital part of Toronto's green space, connecting communities and providing a safe route for commuters and tourists. Our ride takes us through some of Toronto's most vibrant and diverse neighborhoods. As we cycle, you'll pass by lush parks, bustling marinas, and charming waterfront cafes. Continuing our journey, we'll soon arrive at Colonel Samuel Smith Park, our final destination. This park is named after Colonel Samuel Smith, a prominent figure in Canadian history who played a significant role in the War of 1812. The park itself is a testament to Toronto's commitment to preserving its natural and historical heritage. With its winding paths, tranquil ponds, and lush greenery, it's the perfect place to relax and reflect on our ride. Thanks for watching!